it means we use these special elements to make sound insulation for our staircases. So this company, Schöck, German company, provides a lot of different types of reinforcement concrete elements, balconies, roof elements, walls, columns, stairs, reinforced concrete slabs, facades. So for our topic, we should jump to the stairs. And in the stairs section, we have special elements and special details which prevents sound vibrations going to the walls and other construction elements. So it means we use these special elements to make sound insulation for our staircases. So in here we can try to check impact sound insulation and maybe some images, or we can run animation and see how it works in action. So it means when people are climbing the stairs, we provide sound, and this isolation goes on the sides of the staircase and eliminates vibration sound. And maybe I will go to the Lithuanian page, and here we have some images which shows how the stairs has all these special details, and all these elements should be modeled or created in 2D drawings. So for these elements, we can make some spacing in our constructions, and later in 2D drawings, we can provide additional details to represent all these elements.